Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another DIY. Today's video, I will be replacing the front kidney grills with the OEM grills on my E46 M3. So let's do it. Use a flathead screwdriver to pop those tabs. That tab is already broken. Support the hood so you can lower it and you have a better access on the grill. Once it's loose, you have to wiggle it around to remove it. As you can see here, it took me a while to figure out how to remove it. Now do the other side. Installation is very easy, just snap it in. Now clean the grills to remove the fingerprints. That's it guys. If you like this DIY, please like, comment and subscribe. There's more DIYs to come. See you in the next video and thanks for watching. Later.